What's up YouTube, ReggieTECH here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this Aicliv Wi-Fi Smart Power Strip. So here we have the box that it comes in, and on the front of the box we get the company's name, what the product is, a nice little image of the product, and we get some features that the product offers down here at the bottom. On the back of the box, we get the bulk of the information on this product. We get the model, the parameters, as well as other specifications that accompany this power strip. And down at the bottom, we get a nice QR code that'll give us direct access to the download of the Smart Life application from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. So without further ado, you guys, let's get on into this box and see how this smart power strip looks. So here we have everything that comes inside of the box. We get this happy or not happy card, and inside the card it's telling us to share our feedback on Amazon about the product. It also gives us an email address for the company in case we have any issues with the product and we need some assistance, and that you also get that nice statement here that they give you lifetime technical support, which is a pretty awesome thing when it comes to electronics. The next thing we get in the box is the user manual, and with this user manual you'll get all the information you need on how to configure the device and set it up, as well as some of its nice features, and you'll also get some information on how to configure and set up the Smart Life application. If you guys are interested or need help on setting up that Smart Life application, I did previously do that in one of my other reviews of a smart outlet, and I'll post that up here in one of these corners so that you guys can go ahead and take a look at that if you're having some trouble or if you just want to see how to do it. I've got the Aicliv Smart Power Strip powered on, configured, and ready for use. I've been using it for a little while now just to get to know the features as well as all the functions that it offers. And there's many pros to this power strip. The first pro is that it is a surge protector, so you know that your devices are safe while they're plugged into this unit. The second is that you can set timers so that you can automatically turn on or turn off individually each one of these sockets here, which is a pretty cool feature if you need to automatically turn on a light or turn off lights or anything in that sort at certain time frames during the day or during the night. The power cord itself has a really nice length to it, so you can plug it in and put this virtually anywhere you'd like. There are two switches on this power strip, and that's something that's super important to mention. The first switch is up here on the top, and as you can see it says on or off on the sides of that switch. This switch is basically the kill switch for the entire unit. Once you switch this off, everything will power off and you don't have the option to turn this on from the smart app or from your smart home system. The other switch is over here on the top, and what this switch will do is turn off all of the smart sockets and turn them on by pressing it again. And if you turn that off or turn that on, you have the option to control it still from the smart app or from your smart home system. And the final thing that I really do like about this power strip is just the look and feel of it. It's a really light power strip, yet it has just the right amount of weight to it to make it a premium item, and it has a nice finish. Up here at the top, if you guys can see from this video, which I hope you can, it has almost a brushed kind of look to it. And that's something that you would see on a premium kind of brushed aluminum surface, and it really gives it a nice look. And no matter if you put this on the desk or on the floor, or even if you mount it on the wall, because it does have these little mounting hooks right here, the outlet will look nice no matter where it is. I can't really think of any cons for this power strip, but I can think of one thing that can be improved. And this is the same thing that I kind of complained about with the Tech-In power strip that I did a review on previously. With that power strip, you can control the USB ports by turning them all on or turning them all off, and you have that option with the smart app or with your smart home system. With this one, this is constantly on. These USBs will constantly have power running through them, and all you have to do is plug in a device and it'll charge up or give it power. Now, one thing that I really wish that I could find with a smart power strip is to have the ability to control which one of the USBs are turned on or turned off at any given moment, by utilizing either the smart home app or by utilizing the smart home systems like Alexa or Google Home. That's just because these days we have devices that are completely powered by just USB and you don't need an adapter or anything like that to control them. Other than that, this is a pretty awesome power strip. I really like the size of it, the weight of it, and how it looks. All the functions in it work perfect, and I have nothing to really complain about. So if you guys are looking to make your home or any space smarter by utilizing these smart home devices like smart power strips, smart outlets, or anything like that, I would definitely recommend this Aicliv smart power strip. It works exactly the way that it should, and it has some really nice safety functions as well as a nice design to it. If you guys want to check this smart power strip out, I will be leaving a link to it down in that description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I did purchase this on Amazon. If you guys want to check out my review on the Tekken smart power strip, I will be putting that up here on the top somewhere. We'll try to get that in. If I can't put it on the top, I will go ahead and just link it down in the description box below, and you guys can check that out as well if you guys want to see some different options of smart power strips. If you guys have any questions or comments on this power strip at all, go ahead and comment them down in that comment section, and I will do my best to respond to you guys as fast as I can. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below, and if you like what you saw today and would like to see more content just like this, consider subscribing to my channel. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.